I remember when my mother would kiss me good.
Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be doing a protein treatment routine, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this protein treatment routine by myself on my relaxed hair. So guys, you need a protein treatment when your hair is dry, rough, or your hair breaks. All you need is 3 ingredients you can get at home. The first one we'll be using is an egg, just 1 egg, and olive oil, and you also need honey. So these are the 3 main ingredients you need for this hair protein treatment. So guys, I'm going ahead to break 1 egg into a bowl. You can actually use 2 eggs if you have a thick hair, and I'm going ahead to use 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and you can also repeat this if you are using 2 eggs. That means you are using 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And then I'm going ahead to add 2 tablespoons of honey. This is totally optional because on a norm I just use 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of olive oil and I am good to go. But I had honey, and that is why I added honey. So honey is literally optional, so if you have it you can add it to add some shine to your hair. So what you want to do is to mix these 3 ingredients together to get a very good mix. And as you can see, I am taking my time to mix this together so it can be so good, the consistency can be okay. So guys, the next thing you want to do is to prepare your hair. You can either prepare your hair just the same way you section your hair for your relaxer routine. So this is what I am going to do. I just want to part my hair into 2, and then I'm going to start off from the back, and you can actually prepare your hair if that's what's okay for you. And this is what the mixture looks like, and then we are just going to start off from the back. And guys, you want to be cautious of where you are doing this. You can either do this in your bathroom or you can do it at a place where you feel it's okay, because it was actually dropping on the floor, so you need to be extra careful and cautious. So guys, you want to apply this mixture to your scalp before running it down to the tip of your hair. So you want to take your time and just work it into your hair, because that's the only way it will work. So you guys just watch and go with me as I apply this mixture to my hair.
Running fast, pressure's on, need some air to breathe. Can't go back to the days of playing hide and seek. I remember when my mother would kiss me goodnight and tuck me in. We would pray together. I recall a day a stranger had told me to not let my smile fade when the world was prettier. Oh, my innocence is gone, and I feel the cold front on its way now. I remember when the devil on my shoulder told me there'd be a day where I might suffocate. Running fast, pressure's on, and I can barely breathe. I said goodbye to the days of playing hide and seek. Running fast, pressure's on, I need some air to breathe. Can't go back to the days of playing hide and seek. Yeah. I don't know when an enemy came by and planted an evil seed. Oh, taking over me. Oh, my innocence is gone and my flame is going strong. Won't let it suffocate. Running fast, pressure's on.
So guys, I'm done with this first section, and I'm trying to twist the tip of my hair together so I can go to the next one. And this is what it looks like, you guys. This is what the mixture looks like on my hair. I don't know if you guys can see it. You can see the difference. So we are going to the next one.
Yeah. Suffocating. Let me go. I'm suffocating. I'm suffocating. I'm suffocating.
So guys, this is what my hair looks like after applying the treatment on my hair, or the mixture on my hair. And the next thing we want to do is to cover it with a shower cap or a nylon. As you can see, I'm going ahead to use a nylon. So what you want to do is to wrap your hair into this nylon so the treatment can stay. And we are going to leave this nylon on for about 20 minutes. That's the maximum time I have left this treatment on my hair. So we want to wait in 20 minutes. So guys, 20 minutes is over and we want to take this off. So guys, the next thing we want to do is to go wash off this treatment from our hair. And guys, please do not use hot water but cold water, because you don't want to fry hair on your hair. So guys, I am done washing my hair. What I did was to wash off the treatments from my hair, and then I shampooed and conditioned my hair, and this is what my hair is looking like right now. It's also a hair growth treatment you can do for your hair. If you want your hair to grow, you can actually try out this hair and olive oil treatment. And guys, after drying my hair a bit, I'm going ahead to apply a leave-in straightener, and I'm using the Mega Growth Daily Leave-In Straightener. I got this at a local beauty supply shop. So I'm just going to add up a little amount of this Mega Growth Leave-In Straightener on my hair after washing, and then allow it to dry down a bit. So guys, a quick one. After washing your hair, I noticed after washing my hair from this treatment, your hair tends to looks dry. So I suggest you moisturize your hair after drying your hair a bit. Before it completely dries down, I suggest you moisturize your hair with any moisturizer that works for you, or you can also use this leave-in strength now, because that is literally what I use to moisturize my hair before combing it all out.
Suffocate, running fast, pressure's on, and I can barely breathe. You said goodbye to the days of playing hide and seek. Running fast, pressure's on, I need some air to breathe. Can't go back to the days of playing hide and seek.
So guys, this is what we are looking like. This is what my hair is looking like after applying this treatment, and it is looking healthy, it is looking better, it is looking beautiful. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you are going to be trying out this protein treatment routine, please comment down below and also share your experience if you have done something like this. So guys, this is all for now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, this is all for now. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed. Bye.